Hello everybody, this is a layout update, Sigma Hobbies. We're going to be explaining what a Sigma male is, okay? Sigma Sagittarius. Sigma star is located in the constellation of Sagittarius. That's the constellation of Sagittarius. Okay, this guy's cut off for a minute. Let's cut him back on. I got my pepper tree over here. She is growing nicely. I just watered her. Okay? We're going to get into some composting and everything. Okay, so Sigma Star is located in the constellation of Sagittarius. It's the season and the time in which a man is born, during the time of the harvest, okay, and fall, during the time of the year that I was born. So I've been seeing a lot of videos about Sigma male, what a Sigma male is, right? The Sigma male is not something that you become, it's something that you're born, all right? Maybe in other videos, I'll get into it a little bit more, but this is a Sigma male hobby right now. It's model train, building and stuff like that. So these guys, I don't know why they do that. I don't know who's Darrell. Okay. Okay, he'll be all right. Okay, so this is what we got going on here. So I'm doing some composting with my plants. I got mangoes up in there. I put bananas in there from time to time, carrots and different things of that nature, and ash as well. Okay? It's a lot of nitrogen up in there and all of that stuff that the plants need to survive. As you see, my plants is very healthy. I also got a little river down there, a little pond. I got to water my plants. I just planted some black-eyed peas, some black beans, and some pink beans. So they should be sprouting up in around 2 weeks or so. I put these railroad ties over there. They just there temporarily till I continue this rail over here. These trussels. Okay? So they're there just temporarily. Yeah, this guy is acting up. I got 2 cars on there. They never want to act right, man. So yeah, I got more railroad ties over here. Just as support, like they would do on the real railroad. Yeah, my cars is acting funny. I want to run right. These are pomegranates I got growing. These are pomegranates. I have pumpkins growing, but they get to a certain height and they die. So they just wind up being compost. These leaves is compost, but these is mangoes. This bad boy, he's good. Look at that plant. Good plant. Turn this light on here. The castle. Put some speed on this guy. It runs better when I run fast. Guy, the rail, busting, see him? Coming over this situation over here that I got. Okay, so I glued these pieces up yesterday on the last episode. 4-gauge train slot cars. And let's take the clamps off of this guy. Got the phone in my hand, so I'm working one hand. Work on one hand. Okay, let's see what we got. Put some speed on that F3. I don't use that rail that much. But being that I'm situated over here, you guys should get a chance to see the crane. Okay, so let's check out this piece. Let me turn this guy down just a little bit. Put this piece together yesterday. Not bad. Okay, this was a cut-off piece. It was a piece of scrap, actually. So I added on to it because it wasn't long enough, right? So I made it long enough. This is going to go something like this. Bear with me, I'm dealing with one hand. This goes like, here, let's put this on down. Let's lay this out. Let's lay it out. All right? It's the first time laying it out, too. Let's lay it out. Goes something like that. All right? Gotta do some more work on there. I ain't do no more work on it. I got some more pieces over there. I had to repair this piece right here. This piece got a little history to it. I was cutting this piece with the saw, and it split, right? So this piece was wounded with the sword, man. All right, so I mended it back into shape, the I-beam. I put a little patch on there. I'm gonna put another one over here and another one on the other side. That's why that split ain't mean nothing. You're gonna be all right. Right, so, yeah, let's lay this out. Right, got that laid out. That's the next thrustle, right? Got the square right here. So this here, this thrustle right here, thrustle gonna go with something, this is something like this. It's gonna go maybe like around right here. It's the next trussing. My train is stuttering over here. I'm gonna start an electrical problem. I wasn't having that problem before, but it was a lot of sawdust and stuff. I gotta blow this thing out a couple of times more, wipe it down with some alcohol, and do all this type of maintenance with the electrical aspect of this engineering situation right here. Right now, we're dealing with the structural, the infrastructure and stuff like that, building. But there's electrical situation with this thing here that we've got to get a full flow of electricity. My train wasn't doing that before in that location, but I was doing a lot of meddling around over here. So every now and then, yeah, you see he's studying over there? Right? It's sawdust in there now. It's real dusty. Right? So that gotta be blown out with the blower over there. So I gotta wipe my track down with some WD-40. Okay. I have put this lip on here down here, this angle. I'm just gonna take it off. I don't like it. Right? I don't even need it. So I just took it off. I put it somewhere else. I'll sand this down. I put it somewhere else. I got another one. I had another one over here. I put on there, you know, just to, you know, make it look more chunky and stuff like that. So I took it off. I don't even know where it's at. So I'm going to put this somewhere else on here. Right? So we put this back over here. All right? So we got this other truss laid out over here on the ground. Right? We got the other truss laid out on the ground over here, right? Okay. Would you come on now? What's wrong with you, bro? See, I don't want to move now. Nah, he was moving when I come over there. This thing is bugging, man. You know what? Let's sit there, man. Let's sit there. Let's sit there. Yeah, you still, yeah, stand by, bro. You guys getting me upset. Alright, so I gotta take some measurements, with this thing here, right? And I ain't ready to do that right now. Just start on the next truss. I hope you guys enjoyed the layout update and what a Sigma male is. Sigma star is located in the constellation of Sagittarius. Alright, we go over here. It's a man on the horse, half man, half beast. Right? Prince. Here. Sagittarius right over there. You see the man on the horse? Pointing his bow towards the galactic center, the center of the Milky Way, right? In 2012, the galactic center here formed a cross here, right at the tip of the blow, right? But Nookie is in here, okay? And that's a Sigma star. That's located in the constellation of Sagittarius, time of the year when somebody's supposed to be born, when they were born, right? Warrior, okay? The man on the horse with the archer, okay? Alright, situation. Alright. So we got some more rails and stuff in here. Right, this guy's carrying, oh, he's not carrying rail. I got I-beams over here. He's got gold out here. Right? And I'm waiting for my beans to grow. Right? Up under those mangoes, that sweet nectar, man. These guys eat good, man. See, mangoes, banana peels I put in there. I take a blender, blend up carrots, all type of organic stuff, and I pour it in there and also water it. They have abundance of water. The water's on the bottom. They can drink freely, right? You can drink freely. Right now, that pond right there, I got it low because I'm just watering it with the spray thing here. See how to take care of plants. Okay? Spray this guy down like this, and also spray the soil. But I want that mango juice to go down into the soil along with ashes. I'm going to explain to you the breakdown of this in another video right now. I'm running into it right now. Science behind this gardening situation, all right? Everybody don't have it linked up. So you see, I got the pomegranates going there. That's pomegranates. A lot of seeds that I put in there, this hot pepper plant, that's Eve, all right? She didn't allow them to be in there. So those pomegranates is a real deal Holyfield. They making it, you understand? Because I built it up to pile with a lot of compost and stuff like that. But this plant right here is string with roots and stuff like that, right? But I planted some beans in there, some black beans, some pink beans, and I got a couple of different beans in there, and all different plants. So we're gonna see when they grow up. There's more pomegranates over here. Like I said, there's nuts over there. I got some split peas I put over there. You know, that's for breakdown for compost. Right? There's a banana chip over there. Okay? There's orange peel over there. Okay? And I do this periodically. You understand? You don't want to do it too much. Every now and then I feed them. You know what I mean? Like every 3 months and stuff like that. I go hard with them. Those are mango peels over there. Okay? It's mango peels. Right? Try to make this as home as their home as possible. Misty, like they're in the jungle somewhere. It's warm, and the soil is well nutrients. Okay, a lot of different things. I got compost in there. I even got a chicken bone in there with marrow in there. You think I'm driving? Right over here, I put a chicken bone over there. That's composting on the side over there. And ash is good. It's acid in there, help break down the composting and also the smell of the actual composting situation and breaking it down. I'll explain that to you guys in another video. Okay, take it easy.